Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Yeah, well, it's not too big, but enough space to do the magic. Yeah, so it's the Chinese Spring Festival period, and this is when the shops, the supermarkets, the restaurants are all closed, for at least 3 to 4 days, because they only go as long as 7 days. Yeah, so this period, everything is closed, so you really want to cook your food yourself. You want to stock up your kitchen, your house with groceries and prepare your meals. Okay, so I've taken up the challenge to push myself and try some Chinese dishes. So this time around, I'm going to try cooking some of my favorites. And number one on the list is Hong Shao Roll. I'm going to check the English translation and put it there. It's called Hong Shao Roll, and it's like a kind of like pork sauce, that you eat with rice, but it's really delicious. Okay, so I want to try it myself, and I'm going to show you the process, and hopefully it comes out nice. And I'm eating it with white rice. So pork sauce with rice. Nice. Okay, of course, the major thing that is needed is the pork. Yeah, so you need to ensure that your pork is really, you can see the flesh side here, and of course the skin over here. Well, we're going to slice that into some smaller pieces, and we're going to do the magic. So first, the pork chunk right here. Next is then everything just has to do with the sauce that you have to use. Okay, and of course, we're cooking Chinese dish. Everything has to be Chinese. Okay, so this is a pure vinegar. Yeah, this does a lot of magic. So this, of course, we go there as well. We have this. This is like soy sauce. It's called jiangyou. That's soy sauce in Chinese. We use that as well. Then, of course, you have your chunk of onions. Yeah, we need these as well. And you're not cooking Chinese if you're missing out your garlic. And right here we have the ginger. Okay, so we have this right here. Then for seasoning, besides these three guys here, next is sugar. This is sugar. Yeah, I'm very sure maybe you guys are surprised. Why sugar in a meal? Well, I'm going to show you why you need this. So this is sugar. Yeah. Then salt. This is salt. Then, of course, this is rice, and we're going to start. Yeah, so now we have the pork on a pot. Then I'm going to boil it, put some little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt. Then I will put it on fire to make it boil. Then we'll take it from there. All right. Yeah, so this is what we have right now. Then we move to the next process. Sunflower oil. I believe any vegetable oil that you choose is fine. Okay, and now at this point in time we need to reduce the heat, because now I put in the sugar next. Sugar is in there. We keep stirring continuously, ensuring that the heat is at its minimum. So we keep stirring until the color changes. Yeah, so we keep stirring until the color of the sugar changes to brown. So as the color has changed, now we add in our pork. So now the pork goes into this. Yeah. Garlic and ginger mixture. Yeah, so while it's cooking, then we bring in our soy sauce. Yeah, we just add in a little, depending on how you want it. Vinegar, a little bit. All right. It depends on how you want it, but I also love to just add a little bit of water. Keep stirring. Yeah. So let it cook a little bit more. Then we are good to go. Yeah, so my meal is served. There's a rice with our nicely prepared pork sauce, 红烧肉 in Chinese.